Hey everyone, so today I'm just going to do a quick video on showing you how to use different colors on your text. So first I'm going to start off with the text style panel, well the text, and I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in all caps. Okay, let me move this into my workspace and I'm going to change the font. So you go over here to your text style panel and I'm going to pick just something bold. Click and drag here so you can keep it proportionate, and I'm going to add some color to it. So I'm going to go to my fill panel on the right, and I guess I'll make this a teal color, and you see it around it is red. I don't want that. That's my line color. So I'm going to go to my line panel, and then I'm going to go to the color and select none. Alright, let's zoom in, and I'm zooming in. And we're going to make this 3 colors. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click, hit copy, and go over here to your knife tool on your left. Click, hold down shift so that way, oh, hold on. Let's get this all the way in our view. Alright, so you got your knife tool, hold down shift, click and hold down shift. That keeps it straight. And now you see how it sliced it right there. Okay, so now what we want to do is go back to our select tool. So that does away with the knife tool. And you want to select all, hit delete. Now you want to right click and hit paste in front. That now pastes your text right in front of, or right in the same spot that it was. So we're going to right click, hit send to back. And we're going to change the color to purple. Sorry, that was my line color. I'm still in my line style panel. I need to go to my fill panel and I want to change that to purple. So now you see we have 2 colors. I want to add a 3rd color. So we're going to repeat the process. Go to our knife tool, click, hold down shift and drag all the way down. Select tool, select all of the bottom and hit delete. Right click and paste in front, and now we want to right click and send to back, and I think I want this to be yellow. Okay, so that's just one way that you can add different colors to your text. Another way is you can use your gradient. You can do that. Let's go back to our text panel and let's type in the same thing. And let's change it, use the same font. Let's make it bigger. And all right, we want to add gradient to it. So in order to do that, you want to go to your fill panel. And right here is the fill gradient. And I'm going to show you how you can add your own colors, because these right here, you can just click any one of these pre-made gradients, but I want to add my own color. So I'll go back to none, and then I'm going to go to advance. And then let's see, this is black and red. I don't want that. You can always change your colors here. Change that to purple. Change this one to a blue. Change the, well, we'll leave the yellow. But you can move these. I'm going to make this one purple because it took most of the purple away. But I'm going to use make that purple, and let's make this teal. So if we want to add in another one, we can always click in our space and we can just click whatever color we want, and you see that it added multiple colors of your choice. So you don't have to just go with the pre-made colors. Your angle, you can use the angle down here just to add it at an angle, whichever angle you want. You see how you move it to the left and how it's moving. So you just play around with it until you get what you would like. Okay, let me take this line color off. But that's how it looked with the gradient tool. So those are some ways, 2 ways that you can change up your color in Silhouette. Any questions, of course, just put it in the comments and I will do my best to answer them for you. All right, bye.